took down as well over there. Maybe a little tour of them. Drop down. There. Wow. That looks like quite a hard job. Wow. That looks quite hard to do. That's like getting pulled down. I saw the other rides as well about. Wow. Looks weird if the car suit there's on it. There's only like 3 or 4 cars left on that. I know it must be hard to do that, eh?
What's the fucking problem here?
Lovely looking scene that one, so it is. It says Planet Rock on it. I've got all different words on it, so you noticed that, eh? Music zone, that other one says. You need to be very strong to do that, David.
Yeah.
I couldn't do that, could you?
That?
Could you do that?
Last year, maybe.
Last year, maybe?
Aye, not as strong. Not as strong this year.
Looks quite cool though. Not as strong though.